Grumpy Monkey, Yuck, by Suzanne Lang. Illustrated by Max Lang. Chimpanzee was hungry. He wanted a banana. Bananas were Jim's favorite. "I am sorry, Jim," said Norman from next door. "There are no more bananas. How about a pepper?" he asked. "They are crunchy and refreshing." "Pepper," said Jim. "Yuck!" Porcupine came by. "I want to eat your pepper, Jim," asked Porcupine. "I do not want a pepper," said Jim. "I want a banana." "But peppers are better than bananas," said Porcupine. "Nothing is better than bananas," said Jim. Warthog came over. "Jim's hungry," Norman told Warthog, "but he will not eat this pepper." "Because I want a banana!" shouted Jim. He was so hungry he was starting to get angry. "But peppers are better than bananas," said Warthog. "Nothing is better than bananas!" shouted Jim. "Maybe you should just try the pepper," suggested Porcupine. Jim looked at the pepper. It was very red and very shiny. He gave it a sniff. It did not smell like anything. Could he do it? He touched it with his tongue. It was strangely smooth. "Yuck!" screamed Jim. "Yuck! Yuck! Ugh. Yuck, yuck, yuck! Nothing is better than bananas!" Jim's tummy rumbled. He was so hungry he wanted to cry. But the only food around was the pepper. "Try closing your eyes," Norman said. "And holding your nose," added Porcupine. "You can do it," cheered Warthog. Jim closed his eyes and held his nose. He took a deep breath, and another breath, and another breath, and then he took a bite. It was crunchy. Eating it made his empty tummy happy. Before Jim knew it, he'd finished the whole thing. "Hooray!" cheered his friends. "See?" said Warthog. "Peppers are better than bananas." "No," said Jim. "Nothing is better than bananas, but peppers are better than nothing." "How are you feeling?" "Nervous, happy, sad, silly, grumpy, excited, mad, scared,